What's going on, everyone? I'm back today with my friend Matt.
Hey.
And he brought his, what year is it?
1975.
1975 CB200T. I don't know what T stands for, but
Twin carb.
Twin carb, twin cylinder. But the beauty of it is look at the mileage, and that's in kilometers.
Miles.
So this is in miles?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically 1,000 clicks on it, which is nothing. He did have it running, he rebuilt it, he did a bunch of work to it, and then, did you dump it or did your buddy dump it? And then he dumped it, and then it hasn't ran since. For whatever reason it doesn't want to start. So he's going to take care of fixing the electric start today, and we're just going to try and figure out why it doesn't start. We're going to start with the carbs. Hopefully there's no oil in the combustion chambers, because if that's the case, then I think we got to pull the gas tank and pull the head, which will be fun. But we'll start with the carbs, and we'll actually start by blowing some of the stuff out of here with the leaf blower, because I don't have an air compressor and this thing's grinding.
I'm gonna bring my compressor too, and
No, it's alright. It's just like, it's really light stuff. I'll put this thing on a tripod and we'll get to it. Now it's mint.
Who's new?
Seriously, that's such a huge difference. And this thing is so clean.
That's all the mice getting in there over the winter.
Yeah, and I touched that stuff too. Probably wash my hands. I guess I didn't blow all of it out, but it'll be fine. I'm gonna pull the carb bowls, and I'm gonna inspect for stuck floats, and then we'll check for fuel flow as well. You got fuel in here?
Okay.
I got fuel here. These bowls come off so easy. Mine has like 4 bowls, so you literally have to like either twist the carb or
Oh, really?
yeah, or completely take it off. And it's just a snap in.
Yeah.
Like, this is. Why are they all not doing this? Flow bowls, okay? Rather float.
6.9 miles on them. Wow. That's all I've driven in.
It literally has no reason not to run.
Yeah, oh, exactly.
Just gonna clear some sediment out of here. Got some mouse crap on my fingers. That shit's always healthy. That's so freaking easy. There's the other side. That one's not stuck. For sure, they're really light and like really free moving, so I don't think it's the float.
Oh, that goes there.
That's good. I'm gonna check for flow for both of them. Put this underneath here. So just gonna piss fuel everywhere. Wow, I'm a genius. I didn't take the cap out.
Done that before. I'm guilty.
At least this way we'll know you have fuel.
Yeah.
I'm gonna clean this up so nice.
Yeah. I don't know what if there's like, that's probably just vinyl. Like, there's vinyl cleaner or something that'll clean that up. Yeah. Yeah, that and the seat. Like, the seat's not even bad.
No, the seat's just dirty.
Yeah. Like, get some vinyl cleaner on that as well. Yeah, tires are really the only thing that's worn, and it's just dry rot. Beauty. So we got fuel.
Getting fuel.
We'll check for spark next.
Put the floats
I'll
back
just
in
kick it over. Like, I won't worry about the electric start for
I
now.
was gonna say, let's see what it does, how it behaves. We're about to clean the starter right here. Somebody's gonna use fine steel wool. Somebody's gonna kick the bike over. We have the battery charging here because it was at 8.5 volts. Actually, the charger's saying it's rehabilitating the battery.
Oh, really?
It's like, bro, you f***ed this thing up. Yeah, like, we're in the ICU here. And Matt discovered there was a condenser wire disconnected, potentially. There was a wire disconnected, which might be the condenser.
On the diagram, or it's not. It doesn't say what color it is on the diagram.
Yep. So we're gonna try starting the bike after we clean up the starter. Hopefully that's it, and then our job was that easy.
Yeah,
you can
clean it up.
Yeah, we'll just clean it up. You can take this thing home today.
Okay.
Terrorize the neighbors.
Yeah.
I'll just hold it and then.
Good.
Yep. I mean, it's still rusty, but I don't wanna wear away at it. I mean, it is fine stuff, but it got all the.
There's nothing. All that does is
it got all the surface rust off. It's just a I don't think it's even a magnet, it's just a lobe.
Yeah, yeah.
Just a lobe, that's all it is. You got a cover for that?
Yeah.
Do you want to check for spark first, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's check for spark first. Plug wrench. We can just put another plug in.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I got one.
I got new ones for the bike.
True. These rings are sick.
Nice and dirty.
Wait, so what happened to the rear bumper? Do you have it?
Yeah,
like,
I have it. It's just in this corner here, it started rusting out, so I took
Oh,
it off
okay.
to paint it. And
I was gonna say, do you like need to take the bumper off so you can have the rear rack on there?
Oh,
That'd be ridiculous.
I'd be dedicated. Kick her over.
Spark.
Oh,
Is there a start, like stop button, or
there's a key.
that helps? Imagine the whole time, like the key just fell out, and that's why he couldn't start it. The key's somewhere.
I
Like
put the key in it though, and then I took it out.
the key's on a dirt road somewhere.
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Surprised me. Okay, try it again.
There's a start stop button here. Does it do anything?
Yep.
Run. That would help.
All these small details, eh?
No.
Try again. So why would I not be getting spark? My
Maybe
coil?
the battery wires need to be hooked up together.
Yeah.
Battery.
We'll wait and try it with that.
Well, no, like they need to be like if you don't have, because the battery's it's part of the circuit.
Yeah.
So if you don't have it, then maybe you need to hook up your positive, negative on the battery there.
It's gonna drive me crazy though. I don't know what I did with that key.
Yo, it's right here.
Where was it?
In here.
Oh, yep.
That'll do it.
We can.
These two. This one's saying it's at
Smaller one?
14.7, which I really don't believe.
No.
Like, we can try mine in the meantime. Right?
Sure.
It's probably dead as hell. I just think they need to be connected. Like, I don't think you even actually need a battery.
At least, well, this will connect the circuit too, right? But nothing. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
Maybe it does need a battery.
Wondering if this is an inline fuse, if that's blown or something. No, that's good.
Well, we can clean it up a bit while the battery charges.
Yeah.
So while the battery's been charging, I was doing a bit of detailing. Now I was trying to figure out random crap. Actually, he was trying to figure out if there's supposed to be oil in the starter side of the engine, which there is. So that's good news, because we were worried that it's flooded with oil. Seat looks better. This tank pad thing looks better, which is really cool, actually. But yeah, man, bike looks mint now. It's a brand new bike. Let's try and put this battery in.
All right.
You want to test it quickly?
Yeah, we're sitting there. Is there an on-off or
Yeah,
just?
there is.
Oh, there. Okay. And other way around.
Yeah, we might get something out of it.
Yes.
12.7, 12.8,
Yeah.
almost. I really hope this fires up. Keys on. This is on.
It's absolutely awful. Awful to try and do. Surprised you that I can't.
I'm like filming while doing this too somehow. Alright, they're both on.
Yeah, lights on.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. What is this tube? Oh, it's the battery vent.
Oh yeah. Don't need that.
Nope. Just leak acid everywhere.
Yes. Okay, want to give it a go? Whoa, we got spark.
Yeah. Beauty. Ready to give her a go.
Alright.
It's in gear.
I don't know.
Leaking something. It's probably.
Where?
Oh, leaking out of the overflow.
Oh. There's a float stuck now then?
I guess so.
Can you shut the fuel off for a second?
Yeah, I did. It's
Okay.
still pissing it. Can we give it some gas somehow?
Kind of.
Okay, can you start it again?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna ring the adjuster out.
Good?
Yep.
Not missing fuel.
But it's running the fuel off. I don't know why it wants to die.
There's no fuel. Very fuel efficient.
But it's gonna piss fuel, right? Not pissing fuel, right?
No, it is. Yeah, it just barely began.
Start from out of gear. Let's go. It's already Well, that usually means it's a stuck float, meaning that
Could be a stuck seat, like the
yeah, the needle. True.
Yeah, the needle.
Okay, let's take let's take it off then.
whole carb.
No. Let's take the bowl off, and then we can take the float off.
Oh yeah, okay. That's my best. Here, do you want to run it dry so that it doesn't?
Yeah, let's run it dry. I don't want to have to deal with it.
So I can just hear it around a little bit more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. Not really. This thing guzzles.
What?
This thing
Well,
guzzles
it's
gas.
also pissing out the side. Right?
Yeah, I guess you're right. It piss out a bunch of it. Yeah, see? Let's go back in here. How do you
Yeah,
open?
push that down. Yeah, push both down.
Ah.
Yeah.
There's a little pin there.
Yeah. You have like a 6mm wrench?
No. Why do you need a 6mm
Yeah.
wrench?
To pull the float out, or the needle out. Or I say you use a flathead.
No, that's not the needle, dude. That's not the needle.
With the jet?
No.
What am I trying to pull out here?
I'll show you when you pull out.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm retarded. So that we gotta push that pin in. That's,
Yeah.
I don't think I have a set of pin punches, but I don't think it's small enough.
Got the pin out, boss.
Fuck, you're pretty good at this stuff.
That's because I do this so much. It's actually really annoying.
So I can see it. It's in the little
Yeah.
right beside the acorn. You can see it. So we can inspect that and see. Respect the needle.
I mean, that should be okay. Found the issue, so we think. I was just fiddling around with some of the parts, and I shook around the float, and I don't know if the camera picks it up, but there's gas inside the float. I don't know how it got in there, because it's probably just like a tiny little pinhole, and
Yeah.
it like over time just soaked it up, because
Yeah,
I don't see how else. And yeah, so this float either needs to be drilled and brazed up again, or it needs a new float. We also lost one of the carb needles, the float needles, so this is kind of a interesting end to an otherwise successful wrench evening.
Not over yet.
It's not over yet, no, we can still find the needle, and I guess we can, I don't know what we can do about this. I don't think we can do anything about this tonight, but you never know. I don't really have any tiny drill bits, that's the issue. I have solder, but I don't have any tiny drill bits. Oh, dude, I feel it. It's
Really?
totally in there. Yeah, it's totally in that slot right there.
Oh, it is. I can see it. Yeah. You grab the aluminum magnet.
These won't work. The aluminum magnet. Oh, I got it. Whew.
Beautiful.
How's the other float doing? Perfect. This float's
Yeah.
fine.
Okay.
Which is why that carb wasn't leaking.
Yeah.
Hey, at least it ran. You know it runs.
Yeah.
Where's the needle for this side?
It's
Right here, I found it. Jeez, man. Playing a dangerous game here. Leaving tiny ass parts in the midst of like a vast majority of other parts.
I wish I could say that it was because I was used to working in a clean shop, but like I'm working in my driveway as well. So I don't know how I haven't learned.
Right. I'll put the needle and the pin for the float inside the carb bowl, and I'll put the carb bowl back on.
Okay.
And it's both of them somehow.
Both of what?
Like both of the sides.
Oh, really?
Yeah, which they're not connected in any way. Like volume wise.
Yeah.
Structurally they are, but
Okay.
alright, there goes your float. There goes your one good float. Try testing the float in water to see if we can see any air bubbles. Alas, we don't see any air bubbles, so the leak is so small that it's just over the last 2 years, I guess, it filled up with gas. So Matt's gonna go home, he's gonna try and drill these out and then just coat it in solder, because even if you drill it out and brace up that hole that you made, you still don't know where the little hole that it's been seeping through this whole time is. So that's kind of the issue that we're having. But very small issue to have, considering how many things can actually be wrong.
Yeah.
But it did run, and that's a plus. We got the seat
The
cleaned
other
up.
thing I'm wondering is if like, you know, they have like gas tank sealant. If you just cover it in that, because it's gas proof.
Like
it's
epoxy.
probably pretty thin.
Yeah, just epoxy basically.
Just
do that.
Just coat it in JB Weld.
As long as it doesn't alter the weight too much.
Yeah, it can't be too heavy.
We're just gonna wrap up, pack up. Was a pretty good evening of wrenching. Got this thing going again after 2 years. It's gonna rip. He's gonna look into insurance, see how much it is, see if he can rip it on the road. If not, we're turning it into a desert scrambler, a desert sled. Just throw some off-road tires on it, a bit taller suspension, some high pipes onto it, you know, so you don't bottom out all the time. Oh, you can weld those up
what are the other
easily.
ones? Instead of the CVs, there's the CTs.
Yeah.
Or something, and they have the different exhaust that comes up.
That's
the side.
right, yeah,
It has
yeah.
A little bit more clearance.
Yeah, they've got the dual on the side.
Yeah, they look pretty sick too. Got lots done.
They did.
Lots figured out and started. Can't complain.
Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't. Like the video if you did. Dislike it if you didn't. That's also an option. Always an option. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.